Hello, my name is Vimla Ramdoo. I work in the software industry in the digital sector for more than 10 years now. I have been doing project management since 4 to 5 years. And why PMP is because I wanted to know the best practice and what PMI is offering in terms of project management, so that I can apply it in my workplace and I can be the one to apply. No, it's not difficult. Why PMP? It's because of I wanted to learn about the best practice of PMI in terms of project management, so that I can apply them in my day-to-day work in the projects. And for the last 4 days, I have really enjoyed the sessions, which was very rich, and with the team and with Keda, it was outstanding. Thank you.